My name is Bookie, and welcome to another tips and tricks from AppsEvents and Acer. If you're looking for a quick way to get information from a PDF into a Google Doc, check out this really quick tip.
To transfer the text within a PDF document into Google Docs, there are only two things you need to do. So first of all, make sure that your Google Drive is open. And you can now see the PDF that I want to use. So select the PDF and just drag it into the Google Drive. And maximize the size so you can actually see that now it's been transferred into Google Drive. So right click after you select the PDF document, select Open With, and then select Google Docs. Give it a few moments to open up. Once you open up the document, you can then amend the text in any way that you choose.
I hope you found that really useful. If you did, visit the website appsevents.com for even more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.